Remove age spots, freckles, wrinkles, excess face grease and brighten up your skin quickly. You do not need to use a laser in case you wish to have a clean skin. The mix we will present is amazing that will help you get the desired results in a single week. To prepare this unique mask, you will need oatmeal and lemon. There are plenty of reasons to appear blemishes on the skin, especially on the face, which gradually becomes darker skin tone. Direct exposure to the sun, hormonal debalancing, and bad habits causes. Clean your skin in a week with oats, quinoa and lemon, in mask. Oats are an effective and natural cleansing product. Absorbs dirt and debris gathered inside the pores of the skin and offers in-depth cleaning. Quinoa, as is well known, has thousands of properties. For the face as well. Lemon is an excellent ingredient for lightening the skin, removing age spots, freckles and excessive face grease. In addition, lemon closes the pores. It provides vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that decreases the presence of wrinkles, and also stimulates the production of collagen. The combination of these two ingredients is an amazing blend that cleans the skin naturally and instantly gives remarkable results. Ingredients: freshly squeezed juice from a large lemon. Cooked and ground oats. Cooked and ground quinoa. Instructions: 1. Mix the lemon juice, quinoa and oats to produce a homogeneous mixture. You have to apply the mixture directly on the previously washed face. 2. Maintain the mixture applied for approximately 25 minutes. After that, wash face to remove applied mask.